Query on name of raw material consumed. This query trigger is available under Business Segments and Product section. This query trigger enables you to find companies based on raw material consumed provided by the company in the given year in its annual report. The search will be based on names of raw material consumed. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find companies which consumed any type of gear as its raw material with a value of 10 million or more in the year March 2015. To execute this query, you need to follow 7 steps. The first step is to select appropriate radio button and tabs available in the user interface. The radio button Products Produced Traded is selected by default, and let us change it to Raw Material Consumed. The tab Structured Query is selected by default, and let us change it to Query on Name. The second step is to enter the product name to be selected, gear, in the pattern search box and click on the search button. All the raw material names which have gear in any part of its name will appear in the results box. Click on the double down arrow to select all the raw material names in the Selected Raw Material Names box. The third step is to select the indicator to be queried on and specify the range in the Range From and Range To boxes. Let us select the indicator raw material value from the Select Indicator box and enter 10 in the Range From box and keep the Range To box blank. The default currency in the menu bar is rupees million, which means rupees 10 million. The fourth step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. The default selection is L, and let us change it to 2015-03 in the Query on Dates box. Let us retain the default selection in the Output Dates box as AP. The date formats used in the Query on Dates and Output Dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The fifth step is to select the appropriate domain from the 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. The domain All Companies conducts a search over all the companies available in the Provis database. The domain Companies in Current OSC conducts a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. The default selection is All Companies. Let us retain the same. The sixth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box from the 3 formats possible. The first format is OSC, which displays the names of companies satisfying the criteria available in the query trigger. The second format is the WS or the worksheet, which displays the company names along with the product details. The third format is the TXT, which displays data in a text file. Let us select WS as our output destination. The seventh step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to execute this query. The domain selected by us is All Companies, so we can select any one of 3 execute options available, which are Add to Current OSC and WS, Send to New OSC and WS, and Replace Current OSC and WS. Add to Current OSC and WS adds the names of qualifying companies in the current output sheet and adds the data and the names of qualifying companies in the worksheet. Send to New OSC and WS creates a new output sheet of names of qualifying companies and worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace Current OSC and WS replaces the contents in the current output sheet with the names of the qualifying companies and creates a new worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Let us click on Send to New OSC and WS. When the query is executed successfully, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the same. You will see that 2 outputs, OSC and WS, will be selected by default in the Output Downloader box. Click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display data of companies which consumed any type of gas with a raw material value of rupees 10 million or more in the year March 2015. A new OSC will also be created, which will display only names of the qualifying companies. You can click on the output view to view the same.